Welcome to week 29. I'm Sarah Najalapuram, a registered nurse, and today we're focusing on recognizing your emotions, engaging in aerobic exercise, researching home buying steps, and problem-solving techniques. This week, we'll explore the emotional and physical health strategies that help set you on a path to success. Let's get started. First, let's talk about emotional health. Recognizing and understanding your emotions is a vital step toward emotional intelligence and well-being. Sometimes we may feel a wave of emotion without knowing where it's coming from. The key is to pause and reflect on what you're truly feeling. As a nurse, I've encountered many patients who feel overwhelmed, anxious, or frustrated, but don't know how to express it. One moment that stands out to me was when a patient expressed anger at their condition. Instead of dismissing it, I took the time to help them understand that their emotions were valid and that it was okay to feel frustrated. By acknowledging those feelings, we were able to open the door for meaningful conversation about their care and progress. Recognizing emotions is the first step toward understanding them, which allows you to respond with empathy rather than react impulsively. Now, let's move on to physical health. Cardiovascular health is critical for overall well-being, and one of the best ways to improve it is by engaging in regular aerobic exercises like running, cycling, or swimming. Aim for at least 3 times a week to keep your heart and lungs in optimal shape. I've seen how aerobic exercises can improve energy levels and reduce stress, both for my patients and for myself. After a long day at work, I love going for a bike ride or taking a brisk walk, anything to get my heart pumping. Even 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise can make a world of difference. If you're just starting, try setting small goals and building up your stamina gradually. Your body and your heart will thank you. Switching to financial health, let's talk about buying a home. It's an exciting milestone, but there are many steps involved, and it's important to approach it with knowledge and confidence. Start by researching the process of buying a home, from pre-approval to closing, to make sure you understand the steps and are prepared. When I bought my first home, I didn't fully understand all the steps involved, and it left me feeling overwhelmed at times. But the more I researched and sought advice, the clearer the process became. I learned about the importance of a good credit score, how much I could afford, and how to choose the right mortgage. It's vital to have a clear understanding of what goes into buying a home so you can make well-informed decisions. There are plenty of online resources, books, and even financial advisors who can guide you through the process, making it feel less intimidating and more manageable. Finally, let's dive into CBT. One of the most valuable skills in life is problem solving, especially when you're faced with challenges that feel overwhelming. A great way to approach any problem is to break it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Start by clearly defining the problem, brainstorming possible solutions, evaluating those options, and then putting a plan into action. As a nurse, I've encountered countless situations that required me to problem solve quickly, from figuring out the best course of action for patient care to managing multiple tasks at once. I've learned that the key to effective problem solving is staying calm, gathering the necessary information, and focusing on one step at a time. It's not always easy, but the more you practice, the more confident and effective you'll become in navigating life's challenges. That's it for week 29. By recognizing your emotions, engaging in regular aerobic exercise, learning about the home buying process, and practicing problem-solving techniques, you're setting yourself up for success in all areas of life. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe and join me next week for more practical insights on your wellness journey. See you then.